Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can separate your pictures into layers using Canva. Super simple, get your picture and drop it to the Canvas app. Press edit and select magic layers, and here is where the magic happens. It basically separates um, your pictures into different areas where you can edit them, make them like a little bit bigger or something like that. But here I'm just going to wait for it to load. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, you can move the buildings around and you can make this look taller if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can use the Magic Layers feature. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!